5 Nigerian soup that lower blood pressure. Struggling with high blood pressure? Before you run to drugs, let me show you 5 Nigerian soup that naturally help lower blood pressure. Delicious, affordable, and made with ingredients right from your kitchens. Why diet matter? High blood pressure, also called hypertension, is killing silently in Nigeria. But here the good news. Your food can be your medicine, especially our Nigerian soup. When prepared right, can help cleanse your arteries, reduce salt buildup, and support healthy circulations. So here are 5 Nigerian soup that can help lower blood pressure. Number 1 on my list is afang soup. Afang soup is packed with okazi leaves rich in potassium and antioxidant, help balance blood pressures and reduce inflammations. 2 have edikan ikong. The edikan ikong soup is loaded with ugu, which is pumpkin leaf and waterleaf, which support heart health and blood flows. Number 3, you have ogbono soup. Without too much oil, ogbono seed have healthy fat and fiber that help reduce cholesterol and regulate high blood pressure. And number 4, we have okra soup. Okra soup is rich in magnesium and fiber. It helps to relax blood vessels and support kidney functions. Number 5, the last but not the least, is ewedu soup. Yoruba favorite with high antioxidant and low calorie. Great when paired with whole grain instead of eba. What to avoid? Be careful with too much palm oil, salt and seasoning cube and fatty meat. They can cancel all the health benefit of those soup. Try using crayfish, local spices and herb instead. Your heart will thank you. Food is powerful medicine. These are 5 Nigerian soup that can help you fight high blood pressure naturally without spending too much. Like, share, and subscribe for more healthy Nigerian food tips and comment below which of this soup do you eat most often. That's what I have to discuss with you in this video. I will see you in my next video and bye for now.